my name is Bart from Koba Vision and this is a new ZoomCam. The ZoomCam is a portable video magnifier especially made for flexible environments. A video magnifier here is to magnify text, for example for a newspaper, a magazine or an invoice, and you can also watch pictures with it or do handcraft. The ZoomCam is very flexible because you can set it up in any environment that you would like to do. You will notice over here is that I have set it up in a working environment where the ZoomCam is on the left side. I have the screen of the ZoomCam on the left and I have my computer screen on the right. The ZoomCam has a really sharp image because it's a full HD video camera. You will notice that the colors are very bright and the screen and the image is gives you a very high contrast. You can change the magnification. The lowest magnification is more than an A4 page. So for example, if you would like to read an invoice like this, for example, you will notice that you have the complete width of an A4 page on your screen. You can magnify it, so there's a remote control with it. You also can change to different colors. For example, most people read, for example, with the black background and white letters. Like this. You also can change the brightness, for example. You can change the lighting conditions and you can also set up a reading line. Also in the high contrast modes, here you don't change the contrast of the brightness, but it's possible to change the background. So you will notice that here you have more background, so I can just give you a sharp image by setting the background. The camera is also a distance camera, so now it's reading here below on the page, but you can change the camera just by moving the camera up for distance mode. You will see that the image is automatically changing because there is a position sensor in the camera head. You can also choose how you set up the camera. That does mean if you would like to do it like this, I can turn the camera that is right. I can set it like this, for example, and now I can turn my camera so it's in the right position. So it's very easy to operate the camera with the camera itself and also with a remote control that only has 8 different buttons. It's portable, let's put it in that way. I turn off the camera, I disconnect the cables, and you will notice that it's very small. This is the camera that you can take with you. It fits perfectly in a backpack or just a normal bag. To set it up, just press the button on the hinges. That's one. Second button, and it's ready. So I'll connect the USB-C cable for power and another one for the image. When I turn the unit on, you will notice that the screen will automatically turn on as well and go to the right source. So here is my image. So it's very easy to set up, of course. You can use it in different situations. Now it's just connected directly to the monitor. As I explained, you have the possibility with the ZoomCam to use it in different situations and different devices. So I showed it on the monitor. You also can use it on the television screen because it's just a normal HDMI input. I do have a tablet over here. I'll connect it to the USB port like this, for example, and I press over here, connect in view, the camera goes on, and you have the image. I will set it up correctly, like this. So that's possible as well. The great thing, we are using here Supernova, and Supernova made a cooperation with them to fully be compatible with the camera. So that does mean if we change to different colors, you will see that the image quality is as expected because Supernova is operating the camera itself. So I can do it with a button on the screen, or I can do it with the remote control. Same thing as magnification. I can magnify on the screen, or I can magnify with the remote control. This is a Windows tablet. It's a Surface Pro, but you also can do it with, for example, an Android smartphone and also Android tablets as well. There you don't have the combination with Supernova, but there you are using a viewer and you're using the remote control itself. You also can use the ZoomCam in combination with the laptop. I just connect the USB-C cable to my computer and I press over here the camera app. And you'll notice we have image. So over here you're also using the remote control. You can also do it with, for example, Supernova, and it's also compatible with ZoomText. We prefer Supernova because we made a cooperation with them that if you press the magnification, that does mean that Supernova is using the magnification of the camera and not digital magnification, so the quality is better, and also in terms of the colors as well. So you notice over here we have the split screen mode, and that's up to you. Of course, you can also change it to, for example, up or down. So, for example, now you have the image on top, have the image of the computer below. Or you can use it in full screen mode as well.
Full screen.
Like this. So, and then you have the possibility to use the remote control, or you have the possibility to press the magnification, the zoom buttons of Supernova. Same thing with the colors, or you can do it on the remote control here. ZoomCam has the possibility to have a left-right setup. So that does mean you can put it like this, for example, and just turn the camera like this. Okay. You can also use it in the opposite way, but the best way, of course, is to use it like this. So here you have the complete possibility to read an A3 page. You will notice I have the possibility to have a look at all borders of your paper.